Hello everybody. This is Iti Shukla, and I handle the partner and advisor channel of Insurance Samadhan. Today, I welcome you all on behalf of Insurance Samadhan for our new series, where we'll host some of the top personalities of insurance domain, and we'll get to know about their experience with Insurance Samadhan. Let me start with a brief introduction of Insurance Samadhan. So we are a tech-based platform that helps agreed policyholders in representing their complaints. We help people represent insurance complaints of mis-selling, frauds, claim rejection, and across all verticals of life, health, and general insurance. So we are not into selling insurance. We are on the other end of spectrum. So we have been recognized by Startup India and funded by India's largest VC firm. Insurance Samadhan has been backed by industry stalwarts and mentored by the icons of the insurance industry. So here in our B2B vertical, that is partner and advisor channel, we have built our associations with insurance brokers, advisors, corporate MFCs, and hospitals, and everyone who is looking to provide his customers or anybody with a smooth and effortless claim redressal process. We are a family of more than 2,700 customer-centric advisors, associates, and partners who have the same goal to assist and help aggrieved policyholders. For our very first show, today we have a special guest, Mr. Manoj Nair with us from our very first interview of the series. So with all pleasure, I would like to introduce him as the star associate of INSA. Manoj comes with an overall experience of 24 plus years in the insurance space, which includes 15 plus years in sales training, soft skills, behavioral and customer service training, and manager development program. He has coached and facilitated clients from different industries. He has been certified as licensed from Insurance Institute of India. He has also been certified by Kinder Brothers International for professional patterns of management, and the list of which certification goes on. Manoj has been associated with Insurance Samadhan since the inception of the partner channel. He was one of the earlier believers in our vision and has added immense value to our partner channel. So without wasting more time, let's hear it from the man himself. Let's move to the first question that we have for you for this interview. Manoj, can you please tell us how has been your experience with Insurance Samadhan?
So Insurance Samadhan, the experience has been good. Actually, it has been a very learning experience. Why? Because I have not been into this department of settling of claims. So I did not understand the business when I started. And slowly it was a learning journey and काफी कुछ जो है वो सीखा एक एक लोगों से मिलते हुए एक एक अपने एडवाइजर से एक एक कस्टमर से जब मिलते हुए काफी कुछ सीखने को जो है वो मिला.
So it's great to hear, Manoj. The next question would be, depending on your customers, how has been your customers' experience of their claim settlement using our platform?
The customers who have, whose claims have been settled have been very happy. कुछ claims तो बहुत जल्दी भी settle हुए हैं. And especially in terms of, COVID claims wherein deductions have happened. And for, wrong reasons or unnecessary reasons जब deduction हुए and we were able to, get them money in around 1.5 months or so with just one drafting and all. So the happiness of the customers has been very good. Like I take the case of one Mr. Makwana, and unka he had borrowed money for a 7.5 lakh rupees of treatment, or somewhere around 5.5 lakh rupees was deducted, and we could help him get that money very soon. He was very happy. And similarly, I mean, there are a lot of customers who have got happy. There was one customer from Vapi, I remember, and he too, for a very petty reason, almost 2,75,000 was, rejected, and we could get that money within 1.5 months. So that was a wonderful experience of different customers.
So I suppose still many of your customers' cases are going with us, and I hope we are able to resolve them also as soon as possible. And I can understand how good it feels when your customers appreciate that their claim has been settled.
Very true. So we have started getting referrals also. So just today, if I would say, we have logged in somewhere around 4 cases, which are just referrals. I mean, पहले हमने
Great.
किसी का सॉल्व किया है और उनकी तरफ से हमें रेफरेंसेस जो है वो आए हैं, उनके किसी फैमिली मेंबर्स का केसेस है वो.
Absolutely. I think the best marketing is from the mouth of the customers only. When a customer whose case has been resolved and he himself tells other people that this is the platform and you can reach them. I think that is the best thing we do for the customers. The satisfaction on their face is the ultimate goal.
Very true.
Manoj, we would move to our next question. What have been some of the benefits that you think advisors get when they get on board with INSA?
It's a long list actually. To start with, I would say, uh, let me start with an example first.
Sure.
See, when an insurance case gets rejected, there you actually need the help of a professional. क्योंकि
Definitely.
एक एडवाइजर का, मेरे हिसाब से एक एडवाइजर का रोल जो है ऑफ सर्विस is till he files a case. I mean, he files a claim. क्लेम यदि रिजेक्ट हो जाता है तो वहां पे एक प्रोफेशनल की जरूरत जो है वहां पे पड़ती है. इट इज सिमिलर टू लाइक व्हेन यू हैव स्मॉल थिंग्स लाइक छोटा सा फीवर है या कोल्ड है, तो आप अपने आप से दवाई कर रहे हो, ठीक है, चलता है. बट से सपोज यू हैव गॉट ब्लड प्रेशर और डायबिटीज, समथिंग विच नीड्स अ प्रोफेशनल हेल्प. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो एडवाइजर्स के लिए बेनिफिट ये है कि सी इट इज अ चेन, इट इज एन ऑनगोइंग बिजनेस. यदि एक एडवाइजर आज की तारीख में यदि 10 पॉलिसी बेच रहा है तो उसमें से क्लेम तो आएगा, कम से कम 3 से 4 पॉलिसीज में उसके क्लेम्स आएंगे. और यदि क्लेम्स आ रहे हैं तो उसमें से रिजेक्शंस भी होंगे, राइट. सो एंड इफ व्हेन दैट एडवाइजर ग्रोज, दैट मींस 10 से लेके इफ ही स्टार्ट सेलिंग 100 पॉलिसीज, so the same ratio will happen. And that's why it is a very beneficial tool for an advisor, wherein we are as Insurance Samadhan is providing non-legal plus legal support both. So it becomes a one-stop solution for the legal for the advisor. Then he can source claims. He can source claims, and that becomes a way of getting increasing his ticket size of a cross sales, and higher ticket size. अपसेल क्रॉस सेल की अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो है यहाँ पे ओपन हो जाती है एडवाइजर के लिए. इट्स अ टेक्नोलॉजी प्लेटफॉर्म. सो एक एडवाइजर के लिए मदद यह है कि देयर इज a portal that is provided to the advisor, and every communication is happening through the portal. So यदि कोई पोर्टल में कोई अपडेट होता है, immediately the advisor gets a mail and he just needs to check that portal again to understand what all has happened. यदि मैं उसके डॉक्यूमेंटेशन की बात करूं तो एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी इन अ स्कैन्ड फॉर्मेट, एक पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में जो है उनको सबमिट करना है. नो हैसल्स ऑफ व्हाट यू कॉल जेरोक्सेस निकालना, उसको कुरियर करना, एंड ऑल हार्ड कॉपीज वगैरह की जरूरत नहीं है. Most of the insurance companies are also taking their claim in terms of soft copies. So it becomes very easy for them because they already have that set of soft copies available with them. So jaldi documentation जो है वो हो सकता है. Especially in these COVID times, what has happened is जैसे ये courier services were all affected. Couriers were not reaching in time, the postal service was not happening. So such kind of a service is wherein you scan, you upload, and Insurance Samadhan gets it in the next minute. So this becomes easier and faster process. And this platform, the technology platform that has been built is very user friendly. यदि मैं देखूं तो मैंने जो पहले जो डिटेल्स भरनी है दैट इज वेरी इजी, एंड उसके बाद में जो फाइल्स अपलोड करनी है, इट इज सिमिलर टू लाइक इन माय मेल व्हेन आई अटैच फाइल्स, उतना इजी है प्रोसेस. So it becomes hassle free for that advisor. He can himself do it, or maybe यदि एक बड़ा advisor है who has got a team, or maybe somebody as a support system, तो देर आर पीपल हु ट्रेन दैट पर्सन, और उनके ऑफिस से ही ये सारा अपलोडिंग जो है हो सकता है। मेरे काफी सारे एडवाइजर्स हैं जिन्होंने एक सपोर्ट स्टाफ जो है वो रखा हुआ है, दे ऑलरेडी हैव दैट सपोर्ट स्टाफ, उनको वो जिम्मेदारी जो है वो दी हुई है, एंड दे आर डूइंग इट ऑन देयर बिहाफ।
Okay. So I suppose you have many advisors across India also. So they operate from their own place for the uploading of the case and all.
Yes, so I have a team of more than 1,000 advisors with me across the country, and most of them are on contact with phone only, and we help them to upload it through their what do you call through their laptop or through their device that they have.
Yes.
Uploading of documents may not be possible through mobile, wherein I have a team who help them, and plus Insurance Samadhan team also helps them in uploading the documents if required.
Okay, and for tech related issue also you get assistance from the Insurance Samadhan, like any tech issue raised at any time. Do you get assistance in that also?
See, it is a 24/7 platform, so no issues at all. There is a tech team working every time. As you very rightly said, it is a fintech company, so the technology platform is very strong. Most of the document or the mails that are being sent are also automated, so it becomes easier and faster. Plus, we get pop-ups or we get reminders after every duration of time. Say suppose किसी का 15 दिन का duration है या किसी का 7 दिन का वो duration है जिसमें reminders आने चाहिए. So there is a pop-up and there are mails being shooted for reminders, जिसके कारण वो एक याद जो है वो रहता है.
Great. It's great to hear that you are having a good experience with Insurance Samadhan, and we hope it goes on like the same only. Manoj, we would move to our next and the last question for this session. What would you suggest your fellow advisors and partners?
Fellow advisors, I would say is that see rejected, जैसे हम इंश्योरेंस सेल करते हैं, so you create a need. Generally if I say कस्टमर की नीड होती नहीं है, हम जाके नीड जो है वो क्रिएट करते हैं in terms of insurance selling. But in terms of rejected claim, the already the need is generated, वो already पैसा खो के बैठा है. This is a market of awareness. So इंश्योरेंस समाधान के पोर्टल में there is a gallery जहाँ पे कि there are more than 50 odd flyers available with as personalized with your name, mobile number and email ID. मैं सिर्फ उसको निकालता हूँ और लोगों में फ्लोट करता हूँ. सो आई हैव अ लिस्ट ऑफ समवेयर अराउंड 5,000 odd people in my mobile directory. I make groups and I send it across. पता नहीं किसके पास कहाँ पे कोई रिजेक्टेड क्लेम है. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल whom I know, they pass on that into different groups also. और आज की तारीख में हर एक व्यक्ति के पास में कम से कम he is a member of more than 10 groups. So a lot of my friends, a lot of my people who are known, वो मेरा flyer जो है pick up करके किसी group में डाल देते हैं. So again it goes to 250 odd people. So to the partners I would say that build it like a mutual fund business. Build it like a mutual fund business wherein the returns may come a bit later, but the returns will be very good. Add the number of anywhere when you add network or when you add distribution, the business is going to grow. It is a very basic simple formula of business. Increase your distribution network and your business grows. Simple. If you take a case of Coca-Cola only, it started from one place, and because of distribution it has become billions and billions worth of a company only because of the distribution network. So that's the only thing that goes into my mind, to build a distribution network and your business goes on even when you're sleeping.
Okay, we'll wind up with this. And Manoj, it was great having you with us and hearing about your experience. Thank you so much for taking out your valuable time for this interview. And huge thank you to our audience also, who were patient and attentive enough to listen to us. So we look forward to having you again in our next interview. Thank you, Manoj, and that would be all. And for the audience, we would be more than happy to answer your queries and listen to what you all have to say. Please shoot up your questions and feedbacks in the comment sections.